Liposuction Turkey death. It's banded around a lot, and we see a lot of patients, particularly in our Essex branch, that have been to Turkey for liposuction and other surgical procedures. And it is a different result. It is. You have to be really careful about which surgeon you're choosing. Make sure that when you get there, you're getting the surgeon that you've chosen. But beforehand, make sure that the before and after pictures are from that surgeon, not just the hospital. That kind of thing. So just really do your work, your research. Don't just rely on Instagram. We know some really good surgeons who recommend aftercare. They do their MLD properly out there, but generally speaking, even things like the MLD afterwards in Turkey is done differently in such a way that it inflames the body. It's really deep work. So it does more damage than it does good, to be honest with you. So just be careful. Just be careful. And there are horror stories out there, but some of the horror stories are actually that. For instance, the BBL death that went on in Turkey. When they looked into the research in England to see how we could do BBL safely here, what they realised at that point was that the figures had, they were mistaken with the figures. So things had been put in that shouldn't have been put in, which made it look like the death rate was higher than it actually was in reality. That doesn't mean that people aren't dying, and that doesn't mean that it's fine to just go and have surgery anywhere, not just Turkey, without doing your research. But there's always two sides to every story.